fellow YouTubers. Again, it's me Nelson after a long time. Sorry, we're just now posting a video. We finally were successful to actually get it land in California, not in Tanzania yet, but this is gonna be our operation. We're planning a lot of big things here that I'm gonna show you guys. Right now, the biggest thing that we're gonna start with is this. We have about 5 acres here, a little less. I would say 5 is the kind of like more accurate approximation of it. You can see how bad the soil is. We don't really have any pasture here. We're gonna have both birds and goats and sheep, and we need to turn this into very, very rich and productive soil. So that's kind of my strategy, and I'm gonna be very, very diligent as far as showing you guys what exactly I'll be doing to develop and grow this soil. What you're seeing right here, there's absolutely no nutritional value in these things. In my opinion, people can argue otherwise, but I wouldn't want a farm that has this. As you can see, the whole farm, all the way to the very end, we have hops which we're gonna keep. We're gonna keep the hops. We'll just fix the poles and then replant them. But as you can see, this little portion that has been cleared, there's absolutely nothing here. So we have a lot of work ahead of us. I do like, you can see on the perimeter of the land, we have a few palm trees there. We're gonna keep those palm trees for shade, and they look beautiful. I like them. I don't think they pretty much ruin anything here. So we'll keep those. We have to do clear, start fresh. Do all fencing all around the perimeter for security, and a little bit on the front. We're gonna have a parking spots here for vendors and our markets on weekends. Nothing right now, it's hard to see what I'm explaining, but I do have plans that I'm gonna share with you guys so you can see as we develop this land. But right now, this is what we have. So we have to make we have to make it work somehow, and that's the process. So you can see it goes pretty far. The last palm tree on the very end, if you can point that way, that's the end of the piece of land, and over there we have a gate. We're gonna create another gate where the truck is. This is going to be for us bringing equipment in the farm and all the tools. And yeah, unfortunately, I wish I had something pretty to show you, but we're gonna start showing you guys the work. First is gonna be clearing. You'll get a video of that. Second is going to be fencing, building a shade for the animals, building a greenhouse for aquaponics. It's a lot of work, but I think we're up for it. So please comment, subscribe, like below, and share this video as many people as you can, with as many people as you can. We're looking forward to continue giving you guys good content, educational content mostly. And right now, we can't ignore the fact that food security is an issue. So we want to encourage others to do this. Unfortunately, this opportunity didn't come for me easy. I've been ready for 7 years, but finally we're getting land, and we'll be able to actually showcase what we've learned through the process in small projects, big projects, whatever the case it is, and actually learn from others. That's what YouTube is for. So yeah, stay tuned. Thank you guys. Peace.